electric cars versus gas cars, which is more profitable in the long term. You've probably heard that electric cars are the future, but are they actually the smarter financial choice? Because when you're standing at the dealership looking at that higher EV price tag, it's hard not to wonder, is this really gonna save me money? Or is it just hype? In this video, we're breaking down step by step which is more profitable in the long-term, electric cars or gas cars. We'll look at purchase price, fuel, maintenance, resale value, and hidden costs. You might be surprised by what we uncover. 5. Resale value. EVs are catching up. Historically, gas cars held their value better, but that's changing as demand for electric vehicles grows and more people look for eco-friendly options. EV resale values are rising. In 2025, popular models like the Tesla Model 3, Hyundai Ioniq 5, and Ford Mustang Mach-E are holding value as well as or better than their gas counterparts. Plus, as gas-powered cars face stricter emissions laws, resale demand may drop in the coming years. So this one's close, but if the trend continues, EVs could soon take the lead here too. 4. Battery replacement, the EV wildcard. Now, this is the part that scares people. What happens when the battery dies? Most modern EV batteries are designed to last at least 150,000 to 200,000 miles or 10 to 15 years. And many manufacturers offer 8-year or 100,000 mile warranties, but if you're unlucky and out of warranty, a battery replacement can cost $10,000 or more. That said, costs are dropping each year and many EVs are hitting 200,000 plus miles without needing a replacement. So while this is still a risk, it's becoming less common and less expensive. Think of it like the transmission in a gas car if it goes is expensive, but it doesn't happen to everyone. 3. Maintenance and repairs. EVs are winning big. Here's something most people don't consider. EVs have far fewer moving parts. No oil changes, no spark plugs, no timing belts, and with regenerative braking, even brake pads last longer. 2024 Consumer Reports study found that EV owners spend 40-60% less on maintenance and repairs over a 10-year span. For a gas car, you might spend $9,000, $11,000 in total upkeep. For an electric vehicle, closer to $5,000. That's another $4,000, $6,000 in your pocket. 2. Fuel costs. Electric dominates. This is where EVs crush it. The average American spends about $2,000 per year on gasoline. In contrast, the cost to charge an EV at home is around $500 to $700 per year, and even less if you use solar panels or off-peak rates. That's a $1,300, $1,500 savings every single year. Drive your car for 10 years, you've just saved $13,000 to $15,000, enough to offset the higher purchase price and still come out ahead. Even if you use public fast charging stations, you'll still spend less than on gas overall. You're still 1. Purchase price advantage gas. For now, there's no denying electric vehicles still cost more upfront. As of 2025, the average new EV price in the US hovers around $52,000, while a typical gas car averages closer to $44,000. That's an $8,000 difference right out of the gate. However, tax credits and state incentives can bring that down significantly. And if you're buying used, that gap is shrinking fast. But still, gas cars win here, at least when it comes to initial cost. The bottom line, which is more profitable long term? When you add it all up, lower fuel cost, cheaper maintenance, growing resale value, government incentives, electric cars are quickly becoming the more profitable choice over time. Even with a higher sticker price, most EV owners break even in 3 to 5 years and save thousands after that. So if you're thinking long term, 5, 10, even 15 years an electric vehicle is the smarter financial move for most drivers in the US. Of course, every situation is different. Your driving habits, local electricity rates, and how long you keep your car all play a role. But if you found this breakdown helpful, drop a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Are you Team EV or Team Gas, and why?